Hi, this is Steve from SciTech Paranormal Investigations. I put together this rough video to share with you some of the things I've been working on. One of the things that I wanted to do on investigations is to take video using the IR and UV light spectrums. So I bought two light sources from Phantom Lite. If you go to our website, scitechpi.com, and go to the links of interest page, you will see a link to Phantom Lite website. They sell excellent products and I highly recommend them. Of course, not being able to leave well enough alone, I decided to make some changes to the lights. The first thing I did was to modify the lights by adding an external DC power connector on the back. I then wired up a 9-volt DC 1200 milliamp power adapter. An added plus to this setup was that the power adapter actually puts out around 11 volts, which boosts the light source dramatically. This works very well when using my setup in a stationary position during an investigation. One of my good friends, Ron Mayer, who is the founder of Rock City Paranormal, asked me if I had ever heard of anyone taking video using an IR UV strobe effect. I hadn't, so I thought I'd give it a try. Having already altered the lights for an external DC source, all I had to do was pulse it. Wanting to control this pulse as much as possible, I put together a few things. In this box, you can see my National Instruments USB 6009 data acquisition module, wired to an optical coupled solid-state relay. I switched the DC power source to the lights using the solid-state relay connected to a digital output on my data acquisition module. I then wrote an easy program in LabVIEW to control the lights. I'll bring up the program. Of course, I had to have the SciTech PI background on the program, but look at the controls. I have a manual mode and a strobe mode. In manual mode, I can turn the lights on and off. When in strobe mode, I can set the light on and light off time in milliseconds. I'm thinking this will come in handy to get the least amount of screen flicker or rolling depending on the recorder's frame rate per second. Here it is in action. We have it in manual mode. I can turn the light on and off. In strobe mode, you can see it strobing. My on time is 30 milliseconds and my off time is 600 milliseconds. I'll show you what it looks like with the lights. Okay, it's strobing at 30 milliseconds on and 600 milliseconds off. I'll change the 600 to 300. You can see it speeding up. I'll change it to 200. And so on. I'm hoping this will be an interesting experiment on our next investigation. I hope you enjoyed this video And if anyone has any questions or ideas you want to share, please contact me through our website, scitechpi.com. Thanks for watching.